Dr. L. Srinivasmurthy from Bangalore, and in Epicon 2022 Jaipur, my topic was an update on oral incretins. All of us know we've been using incretins as a class from quite some time now. It's more than 2 decades now roughly that we've been using these incretins, mainly in the form of DPP-4s. And we clearly know the value of DPP-4s and the GLP-1s in Indian context or in Southeast Asian context, because we know we have low adiponectin levels and increased DPP-4 expression in the thin fat Indian phenotype, what we call about, and hence the DPP-4s work better in Indian context or in the subcontinent context. So that was my first half of the talk, where we spoke about the importance of DPP-4s and as a class and individual molecules, what is the efficaciousness, the adverse events, what we need to be cautious in the DPP-4s. And then I moved on to the GLP-1 analogs, which used to be injectable so far till date, till very recently. And now we have the innovation in technology that we have a oral form available now as a GLP-1, and that's called semaglutide. We know the common problem for sema or any oral, including oral insulins earlier, is the problem with the pH, very low pH, and the non-permeability in the gastric epithelium. So to overcome this semaglutide molecule was combined with a SNAC. SNAC is a absorption enhancer, which clearly takes the advantage in that low pH. It tries to negate the negative environment in the stomach gastric pH, and then it comes over to absorb and have the bioavailability of sema. And that's the innovation in technology. Now we have been proved in various trials the efficaciousness and the adverse events also. In the pioneer trials, there are a lot of combination studies, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 8, where we have showed its efficacy against sitagliptin, against EMPA, against LIRA, and that's the best part of that. We have enough evidence now on oral semaglutide, including there are CVOTs going on. In fact, I alluded upon SOUL, SOUL study, which is a long-term CVOT superiority study on the semaglutide molecule. And that's the best part, which is on the way now, and we may get results in about 1.5 years now. So that is going to be a game changer if it comes positive, favoring semaglutide, because it's compared with the placebo arm, and we're talking about superiority of semaglutide in that study. And of course, finally, I touched upon why 120 ml and why 30 minutes of fasting after you swallow this tablet, the importance of these angles, and I also showed the evidence for this 30 minutes and 120 ml, why not 240 ml or why not 50 ml, and I concluded saying that semaglutide is a technical innovation. GLP-1s as a class, 2020 AACE guidelines have really emphasized on the importance of SGLT2 and GLP-1s very high in the armamentarium or the treatment algorithm, and that's what we have today. And finally I concluded saying that semaglutide is a technical innovation, and we need to utilize across the staging, whether early diabetic or late diabetes, to use this molecule in our routine clinical practice so that our patients are benefited. Thank you very much.